Hey, hello, awesome tribe. This is Awesome Ajay, your mentor, guide, and coach in your personal transformation. And as you know, recently we have crossed 100,000 subscribers on our YouTube, and our awesome tribe has become bigger than 100,000. So, YouTube has sent us a gift, a trophy, the silver trophy. Here it is. This is the one dedicated to the awesome tribe, and we are going to open this silver trophy now, and there will be a special announcement that is going to help you and that is going to excite you in your manifestation journey. Are you excited? I'm sure you are. So if you're excited to see the silver trophy right now, let me know in the comment section. So let's start. And this is a letter we got from YouTube, and it says you have just done something that is very few YouTube creator accomplish. You had an astonishing 100,000 people subscribe to your channel, and here they have silver creator award, so a small token of our esteem and respect. Yes, thank you, Suzanne, and thank you to the whole YouTube community, to the YouTube. And here it is, our award, silver trophy presented to Awesome Ajay for passing 100,000 subscribers. So let's take out the silver trophy. Here it is. This is the amazing one, and this is dedicated to all of you, Awesome Tribe. This trophy is dedicated to all of you. This is you guys, and I'm immensely grateful to all of you for being a part of our Awesome Tribe. Thank you, thank you, thank you. So Awesome Tribe, I'm immensely grateful to all of you. So finally we have raised 100,000 subscribers, and this is the letter of appreciation from YouTube, and this is dedicated to all of you guys, and this is our silver trophy. This is dedicated to all of you, the more than 100,000 awesome people who have been part of our journey. And this is an incredible journey, and I'm so grateful to all of you for all your love, for all your support, for everything that you have done, and for being a part of our journey and subscribing to my channel and sharing and liking all the videos. I'm immensely grateful to all of you. Really immensely grateful to all of you, and along with you guys, I'm especially grateful to my team and my team of people who have put their heart and soul and who had dedicated their time and energy in creating these videos, creating these ideas, and we are dedicated to create more amazing videos, more insightful videos, more on law of attraction, manifestation, and helping you reach your goals, desires, and dreams. And today we have a special announcement that I'm going to share in a while. First of all, I would like to tell all of you that one thing, that you have to believe in your dreams. You have to believe in your desire, and when you believe in your desire, the universe make all the arrangement for you. I had this YouTube channel for a few years, but I was not really focused, and I was focused on some other things, more focused on Facebook and other platforms. Few months back we realized that there are a lot of people out there who are looking for tools, techniques and processes to achieve their goals on YouTube, and we started focusing on YouTube. And that's what I say, the law of attraction. Wherever your attention goes, your energy flows and you manifest. And few months back, I and my team, we started putting all our energy, all our focus with utmost dedication. We try to create the best of the best videos, bring you all the tools, techniques and processes that can help you achieve your goals, desires and dreams. And so many of you have shared so much amazing manifestation stories in our videos. You have liked our video, shared it with your friends and family members, and we hope that you will be keep doing it. We believe that you will be part of our journey, and you will be keep doing that, so that the way today we have reached 100,000, same way very soon we will be reaching 1 million. Yes, 1 million awesome tribe. Are you excited for it? If you are excited right now, comment and let me know that yes, AJ, we are making 1 million awesome tribe. An awesome tribe of 1 million people from all over the globe. We need your love and support in reaching 1 million people, because when you liked, when you shared, when you comment, when you share it with your loved ones, when you share these videos with your friends and family members, you help them, you share this positive energy with them, and when they start watching these videos, start following these techniques, their life started changing. And that is how we are spreading this positive energy, this magical energy, this awesome energy, this awesome vibes with everyone. And with the help of, with the love of, with the support of you, this 100,000 awesome people, we will reach 1 million people. And your contribution is really valuable. Your energy is really valuable, because when you share these videos, when you share these techniques with your loved ones, and when their life become better, remember, the first person they always remember is you, because you have led them to a path or led them to a journey which started changing their life. In my life, there are so many people who have been influential, who showed me different paths, who talked about different books, who talked about different programs, different workshops, different people when I was going through challenges. And because they could help me show different paths, they could help me find new ways. That's how I have found my own light. And that is why now I am sharing my light with all of you, so that you will not just transform your life, but you will connect at least 10 more people to this light of the universe, to this light of this universe which is changing your life. And whether you are manifesting your dreams or whether you are struggling, my friend, you need to remember that the possibilities are endless. And when you focus on your dreams, you start manifesting many things. When we started focusing on our YouTube, sharing our knowledge, sharing my tools, techniques with all of you, the YouTube exploded. In the beginning, so many people, they were commenting, there were many critics, then people, they started asking, oh, this law of attraction is working, then why you don't have 100,000 subscriber, and why you have 5,000, 6,000 subscriber only? And I was smiling. The only difference between them and I and all of you is we know that our vibes attract our tribes. Our vibes attract our tribes. When I put the positive vibes, I attracted all of you people. Same way, when you put the positive vibes and wanted to change your life, you have attracted me. Same way we are attracting. Same way you are attracting your goals, desires, dreams, your magical relationship, your dream job, money, health, everything. And that's how we are creating. And as we have reached this magical milestone, I have something surprising for you. I have something awesome for you. Remember, manifestation is like strengthening your muscle. We can call it, manifestation is a muscle, invisible muscle that is there in your subconscious mind. And if you start manifesting, as you manifest more and more, your power will go higher and higher, and you could able to manifest more things. So that is why, to help all of you strengthen your manifestation muscle, we are going to start, yes, wait for it, the most amazing thing, we are going to start a manifestation week, or you can call it the awesome manifestation week. So within next few days, we are going to start a manifestation week. And if you are excited right now, let me know with the hashtag, yes Ajay, I'm ready for the manifestation week, awesome manifestation week. Because in 7 days of the manifestation week, I'm going to give you what to manifest and how to manifest. And as you start manifesting on those 7 days, and you will be start manifesting those things, you will be doing those processes, your manifestation power, your manifestation muscle will get stronger, and your manifestation will start happening magically. Are you excited for it? I'm sure you are. So right now, let me know in the comment section if you are excited for the manifestation week, you are in for the manifestation week, because you are going to start a manifestation week on our YouTube channel very soon. And I want all of you to be a part of this manifestation week, and invite your friends, invite your family members to join this tribe, so that we will manifest, we will create magic every single day, and we will create a tribe of 1 million awesome people. Are you excited? do let me know in the comment section. And those of you who are new here, subscribe to my channel, hit the bell icon and stay tuned for the manifestation week. And I'm immensely grateful to all of you guys once again for this trophy. And I'm immensely grateful to YouTube. I'm immensely grateful to my team and all the people, to the universe, to law of attraction, to all the forces of nature, master, angels, God, everyone, for giving me the energy, for giving me the power to share the wisdom of the universe with you, share the energy of the universe with you, so that all of us together manifest our goals, desires and dreams and make our life awesome. So stay motivated, stay awesome. Thank you, thank you, thank you.